Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm making this video because I've been getting two main questions from some of my Twitter followers. I have a bunch of followers on Twitter that I tend to help with money-making tips like related to TweetAdder or tweeting or making money on the internet. But the two main questions I've been getting is, should I be using TweetAdder and is it worth it? And my answer to that is it's definitely worth the investment. It's the cheapest Twitter program out there for automating your tweets and automating your follows and everything. The only other program that's out there that can even come close to competing is Hummingbird, but that's $200 and it's not for Mac. TweetAdder is for Mac and for PC, and you know it's 1/4 of the price of Hummingbird, and it does everything that Hummingbird does. Plus, with TweetAdder, you can manage an unlimited amount of Twitter accounts. Right now, I only am managing 5 with my TweetAdder program, and of those 5 Twitter accounts, I get 200 followers on average per day per account. So that's about 1,000 followers every day, and you can see that it becomes an extremely fast thing when it comes to building a large army of followers to follow you. So the second question I've been getting from some of my followers is, how do you work it, and how can you use a TweetAdder in the most efficient way to get followers fast, and you know some of the really good features on why it is worth it. So I'm going to go through that now, show you some really cool features about TweetAdder. First thing I'm going to do is, let's say you're targeting a specific audience that you want that has the same interests as you, that would be more likely to buy the product related to that niche. So what you'll do, you can type in keywords. If you're a local restaurant, you can type in the location. And let's say you want to target certain people in a certain area like Santa Barbara, California, and you know target certain users. You can do that. Type in Santa Barbara, and you can advertise your restaurant if you're going for a local type of advertising. But so you type in tweet keywords of what people are talking about related to what you want, related to what your niche is that you're trying to advertise or get exposure for. And so you tweet by keywords. You can search by profile data, so you can actually look at people's careers, what they like to do, their hobbies, and connect with them on that and have those same similar interests so that you have a better chance of getting them to click your link, and if you're trying to sell products, a better chance of them buying your products. I talked about location. You can also search by followers of another user, so if someone's following Brad Pitt or whatever, vice versa with this, search for followers of that person is following, so see who Brad Pitt's following and search for those users or whatever. And there's a lot of different ways. So the other thing is you can use any language of how you want to do that all over the world, which is really cool. Right now I'm going to go to the follows, and what's really cool about this, you can automatically, with this automation tab and with the follow here, you can automatically follow people and follow people back when they follow you, so you can keep your followers. And you can also set a limit as to how many follows you send per day, so Twitter doesn't get mad that you're using the Twitter automation software. And so this is really powerful just in itself, because you can send a lot of follows out all at once. Like I'll do it right now, send 25 out, and I'm not doing anything, so I'm multitasking right now. And then if people that aren't following you back, this is your number right here of people that you can unfollow. So at this point, you can just click, okay, I don't want to follow these people anymore, and just click it. And then you also can set a maximum for that and set an automation tab to do it once a day, twice a day, as often as you need to do it. And then at the same time, if you really want to make sure that you don't unfollow somebody that you want to keep following while you're doing this, you can create a safe list, and you'll be able to select certain Twitter usernames that you wouldn't want it to delete from here, even if they were to unfollow you. The other really cool thing is when people do follow you on Twitter, you can automatically have a message sent out to them instantly thanking your followers for thanking them for following you, and put in your link, get in their direct inbox, and send them a link and tell them about your product or whatever you're promoting. Really cool, because then once you have that follower, you also just sent him a direct message, which is even more effective. You can also set a maximum for this and a time delay between how long you want it to wait between sending different messages. and you can send messages to the newest followers first, and all types of different variances. Send messages to oldest followers, send messages in random order, any order, which is really cool. And then obviously this is why we get TweetAdder. We have automating your tweets, and so right here you would automate your tweets. You can automatically track how your links are doing with clicks and click-through rate and everything by just putting your link in here, and you shorten it, click shorten, and it'll automatically post your link right here. And then you have your tweet, and then you would click add, and it pops right up in here. And then you can decide on how often you want it to tweet that automatically, and the maximum amount of tweets. And then if you want to send a tweet at this exact moment, you would do it here. Same thing with shortening your link right there. You can also post up music and pictures using these tabs. That's really great, and this is my favorite feature about TweetAdder, and it's one of the most effective things, because now I spend about an hour a day on Twitter, and I have about 30 tweets per account at least in a given day. So it's very effective, and I don't spend much time doing that at all. You can also auto-reply with new tweets of people that contact me and send a mention to me on Twitter, and I can have an automatic response be sent to them so I can keep up with followers. And then at the same time, we have your automation tab, which is this is where you would click automatically post updates to the daily maximum, and this is when you actually set your tweets to be automated, and then you can turn that off if you don't want to tweet for a while, and you can automatically post replies. Everything that you could automate on Twitter, you can do it right here. Following back, automatically unfollow users, everything is right here in this tab. And then you have your miscellaneous tab where you can manage all your direct messages all at once and not have to spend an hour deleting a bunch of direct messages. So that's how you can become a Twitter power user, by using TweetAdder. I highly recommend it. It's very effective. Easy to get 200 followers a day, guys. Really easy. And if you have any other questions, you can follow me on Twitter at Entourage, ENTOURAGE_007. So send me that. And then if you want to check out more about TweetAdder, you can click up in the description, and you can check out their site and download it immediately and get started. So I hope you found this video helpful, and hope you have a great day.